A light and refreshing salad made with crisp shredded lettuce, flaky tuna, and savory seaweed tossed together for the perfect balance of crunch and umami. First, let's prep the lettuce. Give it a good rinse under running water to remove any dirt. Remove the excess water, then pat it dry. Once clean, slice the lettuce into chunky pieces, big enough to keep a fresh, crunchy texture in every bite. Once the lettuce is cut, transfer all the chunky pieces into a mixing bowl, ready for the next step. Next, add the tuna and the seaweed into the mixing bowl. Drizzle in the sesame oil, sprinkle some roasted sesame seeds, and add a pinch of salt to bring all the flavors together. Toss everything together until the ingredients are well combined and evenly coated. It's now ready to serve. Transfer the salad to a serving dish, making sure the tuna and seaweed are nicely spread throughout for a beautiful presentation. Then add a little extra seaweed on top for a nice touch of color, crunch and flavor. Now it's ready to enjoy. Simple, healthy and full of flavor, this lettuce tuna seaweed salad is an easy go-to dish for a quick lunch, side or nutritious snack. Fresh ingredients, minimal prep and delicious in every bite. Thank you for cooking along with us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty dishes. Enjoy your salad and happy cooking.